welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So आज की वीडियो है about Eid. So it's Eid Mubarak and how we celebrated this Eid while being in Dubai. I'll show you. So keep on watching. Okay. So here is Rahat in the swimming pool. He's enjoying his time in. What happened? Yes, he got a bit scared. He doesn't know how to swim, but yes, he's enjoying. And that's the pool area that we have right in our building, and it looks very amazing. It's 8 o'clock here in the evening, at night rather, and it's lovely. So yes, that's the view. Alright, so we are ready for dinner and we have Chinese today. Eid mein Chinese. Well, abhi Eid nahi hai. Eid is tomorrow, which is today is 11th. But Rahat is here. Rahat, say hi to have everyone. Hi. And say Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Yes. So here is the food. We will have this food. We will enjoy it and see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Okay, so it's day 2 and we are going to Mall of the Emirates to do Eid Mubarak.
Yes.
And what movie are you watching?
Nobody.
Nobody.
Okay, so we are watching.
Fast, it's G.
We are watching Nobody. And
Action movie.
Yeah. So see you soon.
Bye bye.
So that's the Mall of the Emirates where we are entering for our movie, and Rahat is loving and enjoying his fountain. And yeah. Alright, so time to enter the theater, and I don't know what is our hall number, but yeah, we're just figuring out. Rahat, tell me, how was the movie?
It's good.
So what did you watch?
I watched about
Was it an action movie?
yes.
How much action was there? How much fighting?
Lots of fighting.
Lots of fighting, okay. Okay guys, so the movie time is over and we are off for some shopping. Shopping for some dinner at night. And Rahat is screaming, Papa, Papa. And so, yes, as I said, it's dinner time. We are going to pick up some seafood. And there we are going. Yay! So here we are to pick up some seafood, and we are going to pick up some prawns, and we are going to pick up some fish, salmon for evening. People who don't like seafood or who don't like non-vegetarian,
We don't
please
care.
excuse.
We don't care.
Well, actually, we should not say that. Please excuse, but if you like to skip, you can skip. So these are all shrimps, prawns, lobsters, all seafood that you can see. So a quick view for you. So day 2 shopping is done. We are heading back home, and we have bought some salmon and some prawns. So that's going to be the dinner. Okay, so here are the prawns, and we have cleaned them, cut them. Here's garlic, here's some onion and some lemongrass, not grass. And this is Amul as usual, यार मतलब जो हमारे इंडिया में भी मिलता है, but this is unsalted. And we have fish here, which is salmon, and we have prepared it. We've prepared it with salt and pepper, and it's just going to go in a frying pan in a while. Okay people, the fish is almost ready to be served, and it's now time for prawns. Preparation for prawns are on. So we have had lemongrass, garlic, onions, and some salt and some pepper, and some butter, of course. Not some, a lot of butter. And once this is done, we will move on to prawns. Wow, I'm just loving it right now. Ta-da! And the dinner is ready. So we have fish here and we have prawns here. And, don't worry, it's not just this much. We have a lot more to eat. But this is how I wanted to show you. So day 2 getting over, and see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to day 3. So we didn't go anywhere today. It was a lazy day. And what are you making? What face are you making?
Sorry.
So Rahat, what did you do today? You went to the supermarket.
Yes.
What did you buy?
We buy a lot of fruit and ice cream for Arlene ice cream, my ice cream.
Okay, so we are not going out today anywhere. So we're just at home relaxing, and I am not in kitchen. Me, Chandeep, and Rahat, we are all are enjoying. And cooking is being done by Chiran today. So let's see what is cooking in the kitchen. I think we are going to drink. No, we are going to have some soup
Yes.
and some. What else are we cooking, Chiran?
Some veggies
Yes.
with chicken and soup.
So we are cooking some veggies with chicken and some soup
Very healthy food.
and some, I think, vegetable wrap also. So once the food is ready, I will show you the glimpse and we'll enjoy our meal at home today. But yes, Eid Mubarak. Today is the actual Eid. Today is 13th.
Yes,
And it's Eid, right? So how do we say Rahat? Eid Mubarak? Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Rahat, this is what? Chicken tinola.
Yes.
Chicken tinola.
Yes.
Say it. Chicken tinola.
Chicken
This
tinola.
is fried
Not
chicken.
Tarola,
Fried
it's
chicken.
Tinola.
Tinola. This is fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
This is peanut butter
Peanut
with this
butter.
sauce. Huh?
Sauce.
This is hoisin sauce.
Hoisin sauce.
And these are
Kulaiga.
some veggies.
Some veggie.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
This is what? Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Carrot.
Kukuvanda.
Okay.
Okay, so the chef is here and he's described. Chiran, can you please describe us again?
So this dish is known as chicken tinola,
Cucumber.
and this is just plain fried chicken.
Chicken breast, right?
Chicken breast with some veggies. So this is very easy to make. All you need is butter, onions, ginger, and chicken broth, and you need some chicken. So after that, you just add some water and salt according to your taste, and that's it. This is a very plain dish, and it's very healthy. So I'm
Yes,
very
today's-
happy. Can we eat now?
Today's dinner is all healthy. So okay, we are off to getting on to our dinner, and let's see. Please excuse because there are a lot of clothes. The background is messy, but that's all right.
Chalo, come on.
Say hi, Rahat.
Hi, Rahat.
Say hi.
Hi.
Don't say hi, Rahat.
Hi, Rahat.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
So what? It is day 4. What do you say?
Eid Mubarak.
Yes, day 4 Eid Mubarak. So yes, I actually forgot to film today because we didn't go anywhere. We were just being lazy, being at home. Watched some series, I think Chernobyl, and we've rewatched it. And we have the dinner cooking, which is, so we have chicken cordon bleu cooking. It's made with chicken breast, some cheese, salt and pepper, and yeah, I think that's it. And it's getting fried. So yes, that's day 4. I guess we will be going for a movie tomorrow, which is day 5. By the way, I have a chef, which is Arlene, yes. So she's the chef for today, and this is what we are cooking. So once it's ready, we'll get back to it. So this is ready, and we have some prawns, and we have some soup. So that's going to be our dinner. If you're thinking that this is not going to be enough for four people, I guess the chef will tell us the real story. Will it be enough for 4 people or not? Arlene,
Yes.
you are on camera.
Yes, it will be enough for 4 people.
See? So we are just going to relish it. And at the end, what do we say, Rahat?
Eid Mubarak.
Yes, Eid Mubarak.
And today is Eid.
Hi guys, welcome back. So it's day 5 of Rahat.
Eid Mubarak.
Yes, it's day 5 of Eid Mubarak. Please excuse the camera is moving a lot because we are in the taxi.
Yes.
And Rahat, what movie are we going to watch today?
Rat.
No, Wrath of a Man.
Rat of man.
Jason
Okay.
Statham.
Tatum.
Yeah,
Statham.
it's an action. It's a action movie.
It's action movie. And rat is angry. Rat is like this. Make my food.
Yeah.
And that's angry.
Alright, so yes, that's day 5. We'll continue and I'll keep sharing videos. So keep watching. We'll see you soon. Okay guys, finally day 5 is over and the Eid celebrations are all over. And we're now going back to the regular stuff. Tomorrow onwards, we'll get back to work.
Awesome
we'll
movie.
get
Go
back
watch
to-
it. Go watch it. You'll all waste your money. Go watch it. We have wasted our money. You should waste yours too. Go watch it.
So we're going to go back to our regular day tomorrow, and thank you so much for watching guys, and please stay home, please stay safe, do not step out of the house, and guys take care, see you soon, bye bye.